Jointly in a short meditative exploration of Romans chapter 12 verse 2. The Word of God says, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will." This verse calls believers to resist worldly conformity. It is a situation that we allow God to transform our thinking. This renewal allows us to discern God's good, pleasing, and perfect will by living according to His plan, not worldly desires. That true worship, inner change, aligning our life with God's purpose. God bless everyone.